Alright, here we have Hoplite Airsoft CQB field we're working on. We haven't really got too far. Just working on building some stuff. We've got a bunker here in the middle we're trying to put together. Dallin is the owner-operator of Hoplite Airsoft. He's doing a fantastic job.
Yeah.
This whole area we'll be able to play in. Right now we're concentrating on 3 bunkers. This is the middle one. We got the one over here. We're just building the walls, and then we'll put the plywood on. You probably can't see over here. Dallin shut off the lights, but
My bad.
yeah, well, there's a piece of wood here, cover. There's one here, cover. We have these church benches where we're using as cover for now. And then over here, I don't know if you can see it, but we have a wall we're building here. This is the other base. Go inside so you can see. Not a whole lot right now, but we're trying to work on it. It's just me and Dallin, and we're actually doing pretty good. We're moving along at a steady pace, but any helping hands would be fantastic. We don't expect it though. Anyways, walk back to the other side, and then that's about it. Alright, hey guys, we've been working on our CQB field here at Hoplite Airsoft. We've installed some new bunkers. We've really been trying hard to make this awesome, and we really haven't had a whole lot of people come play, which kind of makes us sad. But hopefully you see this and you want to come play. We just put this bunker in right now. Came from an old paintball field, but we're making it work. It's got a window in it, 2 doorways, pretty awesome. Of course, we got our regular bunkers that we built already. Windows on both sides. Didn't have a window before, now it has a window. There's our one bunker over there. There's that bunker from this view. Here's the middle one. That bunker again. Dallin, owner-operator of Hoplite Airsoft. There's the other bunker, all lit up. Yeah, that's the American flag we have hanging up because we're awesome like that. There's that middle bunker again. Bunker over there, tires. There's a wall right here. Small wall, another wall. And then back there, you can't really see too well in this video, I apologize. There's a bunker, and it looks exactly like the one on the other side from a paintball field. See, there's the window. Go in it. Can't really see. So, if you look, there's the window for it. I had to kneel down because it's lower. And then you got the door that's over there. And then there's the exit right here. Here's this bunker. And this bunker from this view. Here's this bunker. Anyways, there you go. Come check it out. Tons of fun.